Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.
If regular cars all get a mid-cycle refresh after a few years, shouldn't a factory-built ultra-luxurious limousine get the same treatment? Mercedes apparently thinks so because today it revealed an updated 2019 Mercedes-Maybach S650 Pullman with a new grille and an even more opulent interior. Like the Mercedes-Maybach S600 Pullman that debuted about 3 years ago, the S650 Pullman is long. Really long. More than 21 feet long. For comparison, the Pullman's about 4 feet longer than the regular S-Class, and it stretches more than 6 feet past the CLA. It's also still powered by a twin-turbo V12, but this time around, it's been tuned to make 621 horsepower. That's nearly 100 horsepower more than the same engine made in the S600 Pullman. But as large as the S650 is, that's still not enough power to make it particularly quick. Mercedes says it takes 6.5 seconds to hit 62 miles per hour. If the S650's grille looks familiar, that's because it was inspired by the Vision Mercedes-Maybach 6 concept. Customers will now be able to order the S650 Pullman with the two-tone paint combinations that debuted on the non-Pullman version of the 2019 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class.Inside. 3 new colors have been added to the options list. But even though Mercedes didn't do much to the interior, it's hard to see what would need to be changed. The S650 Pullman's cabin looks absolutely incredible. It may be possible to build a more luxurious limousine, but it wouldn't be easy. According to Mercedes, pricing for the new S650 Pullman starts at around €500,000. At current exchange rates, that would be about $615,000, but we have a feeling transaction prices will actually be much higher once buyers finish adding options and any custom requests to their orders.
Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.